Got another for you. This is a nice looking patriotic, a lot of interesting swirls going around. So it's got a lot of character. Pull style, nice and comfortable. Put on a zipper pull, on a lanyard to pull your keys, your knife, your Leatherman out of your pocket. It's about an inch long. There's no scratch there. It looked like a scratch. No, it's just a piece of dust. It's about an inch long and 3/4 wide. Loading this up on the website real soon on fiddlebone.com. Share this with your friends. Let people know about it. A lot of these things are all one of a kind, so once they're gone, they're gone. Another request I had, somebody had asked me if I could make some sets, but I just got to get in contact with them to see what shapes they want. It's like all matching colors, so it's something I may be doing. If you're interested in something like that, let me know. Yeah, so this will go up on the site real soon. Go to fiddlebone.com, check it out. We also have pens and other interesting everyday carry stuff that I make. So that's about it. So go to fiddlebone.com, like, share, subscribe. All right, there you go. Have a beautiful day.